Children, by Vedic mathematics, by using Vedic mathematics shortcut, you can find out 12 by 15 first HCF and LCM also. I will explain in simplest manner. That is, first of all, you can take the HCF is, you can test like this: 12 divided by 4 or 15 divided by 5. Any one you can take. Answer is same. What is the answer now? 3 or 3. If you want to find out LCM, we can multiply, cross multiply. 12 into, this means divide with the simplest factor. This is why division, very simple question. Simplest manner we have to select it. Okay. So, we have to divide, multiply with that one. See once. Are you getting correct only? Here I will write here. Okay. 12 into 5. How much? 60. And again we are getting 12 into 5, 60. And 15 into 4, cross multiply. Also 60. Check it. So what we are going to conclude that the LCM of the LCM of 12 and 15, 12 and 15, the LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. So what is another number we have? 21 already there. Again we can take with this one. So is it divisible by this 21 or not? Yes, it is divisible. So therefore HCF is anyhow 3. So now we are going to take this 21 and what is the other number? Another number we can take 15. LCM of these two. 21 and this 60. LCM of 21 and 60. What is this simplest method? 21 by 60 is equal to 21 by 60. Are visible? Now I will write here. You can take the LCM of 21 and 60. 21 by 60. What table we can take? 3 table. 3 7s are 20. 3 20s are. Now we can multiply, cross multiplication. Cross multiplication we can take. LCM means we have to multiply. LCM is equals to 21 into 20 or 60 into 7. Any answer is same. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 420 or 6 7s are 420. Like this you can find out by using Vedic mathematics. Okay. Now we can discuss one more example in this method. Now 8, 9 and 25. 8, 9 and 25. What is the simplest method? First we can take 8 by 9. 8 by 9 is equal to same. We are not getting 8 by 9, same 8 by 9 only. Simplest method. So 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. Therefore, HCF is equal to 1 for 8 and 9. After that with 25 we can take HCF of 1 and 25. What we are getting HCF of 1 and 25, you can test it. So 1 by 25 is equals to 1 by 25 only. You can take 1 divided by 1 is also equal to 1, or 25 by 25 is also equal to 1. Therefore, what we are going to conclude that HCF is equal to resultant HCF. Resultant HCF is equal to 1. Resultant HCF is equals to 1. Now we are going to calculate, that is LCM. What we are getting, that you can see LCM. HCF is 1. Now LCM of 8 and 9. 8 by 9 is equal to 8 by 9. Then we can multiply 8 into 9, which is equal to 72, and same thing. So LCM of these two. Then we can compare with the 25. We can take LCM of 25 and 72. What we are getting, that 25 by 72. Is there any common factor for 25 and 72? We can test it. Is there any common factor by using this in one table? No, no common factor. Is there any common factor? You can test. No, not getting. 25 by 72 only. You can take LCM is equals to 25 into 72 or same. So what is the answer? You can take like this, 25 into 72, we can multiply 72. What is the answer? Now we can test it. 2 5s are 10, 1, 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5, and 7 5 is 35, 3, 7 to the 14, 14 plus 3, 17. So 0, 10, 8, 1800 we are getting. 0, 10, 8, 17. 2 5s are 10, 1, 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5, 7 5s are 35, 7 to the 14 plus 3, 17. So 1800. Therefore, LCM of 8, 9, and 25 is equal to 1800. Like this, we can test the LCM and HCF. Children, we can practice from textbook second bit totally like this by using Vedic mathematics shortcut method or general prime factorization method also you can do. And one more problem we can see, explain why, that is fourth problem in exercise 1.2, 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. How we can show this composite number? Whether the given one is a composite number or not, that we have to test it. Problem number 4. Problem number 4. Express 7 into 11 into 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 in composite number manner. In composite way. Or sometimes we ask the question, explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 plus into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers, like this. Okay, now I want to take first one. This is 7 into solution. You can write. We have to show that this is a composite. These two are composite numbers. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is equal to, we can take 13 common in this 3. What we are getting now? 7 into 11 into 1 plus 1. That is 13 into 7 into 11 into 1 plus 1 is 2. So what it happens? 13 into 7 into 11 into 2. So there are 4 prime numbers we got. 4 prime numbers means what it happens now? This is a composite number. Because what is a composite number definition? It has more than 2 factors. So how many factors we got it here? 13, 7, 11 and 2. So which is a composite number? We can show that this is a composite number. Therefore, the given number expressed as more than 2 factors. This is the reason. So definitely it is a composite number. Okay children. Now second one, that is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. This also we can discuss. Same way we can write in the form of that one. So second one, 7 into 6 into 5 into 1 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. This we can write, which one is common in this all? 5 and 5. 5 we can take common. 7 into, the 6 can be written as 2 into 3 into 2 can be written as 4 can be written as 2 into 2, 3 as it is, 2 as it is, into 1 plus 1. 5 we can take common. That is 5 into 7 into 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 power 4 into 3. How many times? 2 times. Into 1 plus 1, 2. One more 2 we got here. That is 5 into 7 into 2. How many times? 2 power 5 into 3 power 2. So what do you understand? Again we got it in prime numbers. That means this is also a form of prime factorization. According to fundamental theorem of Martin, what is that? Arithmetic says that every composite number can be expressed as product of primes. This is a product of primes. So this is a composite number. So which is a composite number. Hence it is proved. You can say that this is also a composite number. Like this we can find out, we can show that the product is also a composite number. Like that you have fifth problem and sixth problem already explained in the last class. That is, what is the last digit of 6 power 100? The last digit of 6 power 100 is again 6. The product we can express in the form of 6 power 1, 6 power 2, 6 power 3, like that. Every number is raised by the 6, any number you can raise, and you will get it now. Total exercise completed. So you can practice. I will give you worksheets also. Now 1.2 completed. You can practice all this. From this exercise you will get now at least 2 marks. Okay children, you can practice by using that. So this practice we can complete in the form of composite number, right?